welcome to Tomboy Beauty. My name is Amy Harber, obviously, because look, it's all there on the sign, as you can see. Hey, it's Thursday. That means I have a Throwback Thursday box for you. This is the November 2017 Allure Beauty box. Look at how cool it looks. Bet you it would have been even cooler if I would have unboxed it then. However, the theme is great expectations, and I have great expectations about this video and these products, so let's talk about them. So hey, got the November Allure box. Did you know that on the inside of every single box there's like a little saying, "Oh, I line, therefore I am." I do not have any eyeliner on right now. So theme, great expectations. And you get this little cool book that tells you all about the fun little products. So, the expectations. So anyway, Doucce Beauty. It's a lip crayon. The color is called Malibu, which makes me want to sing the Courtney Love song. It's like a rosy pink. I would put it on here. Why don't I just put it on over here and make some ombre? Yeah, a little ombre action there with the dark that I already have on. Then we have Hey Honey, Good Morning Honey Silk Facial Serum. Oh my gosh, this is like the perfect skincare box all put together, like, and you're going to see why. So you got your serum, so you got the Hey Honey, Honey Silk, all day nourishing for all skin types. Oh, and the little corner actually makes good for itching your head. Then we have, if I can find it, oh, it's a unicorn brush. Okay, if you've seen my videos, you have seen me do a video in a unicorn onesie. Oh my god, I am dying. Now, this is the Moda Mythical crease brush. It can do anything, which I'm going to show you here in a hot second, but it can do like anything. However, the coolest thing about this is they sell these brushes at Walmart, and you get a whole six of them for under $20. Now, Walmart is skeezy and gross for many reasons. However, it's 6 of them. Unicorn brushes. Okay. Then we have the Doucce, I think that's how you pronounce it. Freematic, so it's got little magnets. They have a little palette thing, which I've already got it full of 4, so I've got like 2 extra of these, so I never know what ones to put in the palette. However, it's a blue color, which isn't probably going to show up over what I have. Oh, look at that. Jasmine for blue jean, as David Bowie would say. This is going to look so cool with the really bright blue from MAC, the electric eel that I have from MAC. Then, I know how I said you had a complete skincare in here. We got the Too Cool for School all-in-one Egg Mellow Cream. So it is, that is not the Egg Mellow Cream. Where did the Egg Mellow Cream go? Oh no. Lions and tigers and bears, oh my. This is the Egg Mellow Cream. So, remember you got the cream, the serum, then you got an egg mask. Oh my gosh, it's the Too Cool for School egg cream mask. It is like the coolest in Korean beauty products. It's one of the first big ones that I remember hearing about, where I was like, oh my god, I gotta get my hands on it. Then we have the Caudalie, I think that's how you pronounce it, Resveratrol Lift Eye Cream. So literally, you have the serum, a moisturizer, and the eye cream. Complete skincare in one box, which is freaking awesome. So those are all the little fancy products. This is where you can find me. And I will see you next time on Tomboy Beauty.